Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this Nsala soup done. Guys, I'm just recovering and I'm craving for Nsala soup, and yeah, we did it and it came out so delicious. I added some fresh fish even though I smoked it, but it was so good. I hope you try it, guys, and let me know if you do in the comment section. Guys, we are going to be using this fish, but I'm going to be grilling them. I've already cleaned the fish and throw it in the freezer, so all I needed to do is just to rinse them out, marinate them, and throw it in the oven. I'm not going to eat this fish like this. No, I can't. If you don't know, you don't know. I can't eat this fish like this, so I'm going to throw them in. It's been nicely washed. Look at that big head. My husband is going to enjoy it. Yeah, he likes fresh fish. He can eat fresh fish like this, but me, I don't know, for some reason I can't eat fresh fish like this. So I'm going to marinate it with pepper and salt. That's all. We are making Nsala soup, and I want it to be as beautiful as I will enjoy it. Stay tuned. So we are going to be using some chicken as well for our Nsala soup. I'm making a large quantity actually. Guys, here's our yam. It's cooking nicely. So I'm going to be grilling this chicken. So we are using chicken as well. I'm going to take it out, rinse it out, and marinate it and grill it. I'll grill it. To the pot, we are using beef and some assorted meat. So here is my beef tripe and some beef from the freezer. All of this protein has been nicely washed. I'm going to season them with salt and Maggi. So here is some goat meat. You guys know that there is no delicious Nsala soup without goat meat, right? And I want to enjoy myself. So I'm going to add this to the pot. Add some goat meat, so we can enjoy this Nsala soup. I'm going to add 2 more. I'm going to add some onion. I'll let it bring out enough juice then before I can add some juice and some other things. So I'm going to blend all of this pepper, ginger, garlic, and onions. Now add it to the soup. So guys, I'm going to be adding uzuza and cloves, uda, and ehuru, which is traditional nutmeg. Yeah, I'm trying to read my emails, guys, so I want to do everything to help myself, you know. I want to use all these herbs to help myself. So I'm going to wash this and add it to the blend. So here's our blended peppers. I'm going to add it in and blend it all together. So I'm going to add my stockfish, and I'll add uyayak. If you know what that is, yeah, I like to have it in my native food. I've gone ahead to clean my fish nicely. So I'm going to add it in. I'm going to add my blended stuffs. So guys, I'm going to grill my chicken with oil, salt, Maggi, and pepper. I told you guys I'll be adding this chicken to my soup. So I didn't go in with any kind of seasoning other than Maggi, salt, onion, ginger, garlic, and the peppers. You saw all the onions, you saw the peppers, and all the pepper soup spice. Those are the things I used to marinate this chicken, because I wouldn't want it to have some kind of ugly taste. Yeah, this is native soup, and I want it to give me exactly what I crave for. I'm just trying to recover, guys. So I'll put this in the oven, and I'll get the fish into the oven as well, but I'll show you the fish too. All over the fish. don't eat spicy, go ahead and skip it. But what is Nsala soup? White soup, actually. This is our own white soup. In case you're asking what is Nsala soup. Nsala soup is our own white soup, light. And I want it as light as possible. I can drink it like pepper soup. I can use it to eat swallow. You can actually use Nsala for swallow, you can drink it like pepper soup if you like. You can just, depend on you. But it has to be spicy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is it. This is the fish. I'm gonna set it in and allow it to grill very well. If it doesn't grill well, I won't be able to eat this. But if it's for my husband, he likes you to just throw it into the soup for him like this. But me, I can't. So I'm going to throw this into the oven and then we'll grill. So here's our fish. It's nicely done. Yeah, my fish is ready. I'm going to add it to the soup. I'll add ogiri to the soup, guys. This is Nsala soup. You need ogiri. I'm going to add ogiri. So guys, here is my yam, blended yam. I'm going to add it to my soup. I'm going to add crayfish. I've gone in with my pepper soup ingredients. I'm going to add my grilled chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add the fish, and yeah, our soup is ready to be consumed. So I'll add the fish. This is it, guys. Here is my uziza leaf. I'm going to add it to the soup. So I'm going to add some bitter leaves and some scent leaf. This is what I have here. I'm going to add this to my soup just to make sure I have bitter in it. You can use utazi if you have fresh utazi. So because I don't have a fresh utazi, I have fresh uziza leaf and I've added it. So I'm going to just cover it for a little bit and allow it to simmer, and then our soup is ready. I hope you give it a try. So guys, here is our Nsala soup. Very delicious. Try this, fam, you will love it. It came out so good. I can't wait to start eating now. Guys, I'm going to sit down and enjoy this before I start portioning it to the freezer. Mm.